In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an inner fender liner on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Go around and remove all of the 10mm screws. Jumping to the front side. And then we'll get the 3 on the bottom in front. Turn this clip 90 degrees. Pop the clip out. There should be 3 plastic push clips, one located right here. Ours is missing. Our second one's right here. Third one's right here. Remove the clips. We have 2 more plastic clips on the side of the fender. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread it. Do the same thing on the bottom one. Get the middle to pop out. Pop the clips out. And on the bottom, there's 1 Phillips head screw. Using a pair of pliers and a flat blade screwdriver or similar tool, we're going to grab this clip that's located right here, and we're going to pinch the 2 sides on top and bottom. And then using our flat blade screwdriver, we're going to push it out. I ended up using a right pick to push on this top tab. That was the one hanging this up. I ended up with my tool on the outside of the clip pulling it. When we were squeezing with the pliers, we were trying to get these 2 tabs, one on top, one on bottom. Remove the inner fender liner. Start on one side and work your way around. And remove the inner fender liner. Install the fender liner. Start on one side and work your way around. Be sure that you're tucking the inner fender liner up under the fender in these few spots. Right here, it's going to sit on the outside. Go around and install the 4 bolts. Swapping to the front side. Install the splash guard bracket on the bottom and get all the bolts started. Make sure the fender liner is tucked into this clip, and then install the lock. Turn it a quarter turn to lock it. Install your push clips. You should have 3. We only have 2. Your third one should go right here. Install the 2 plastic clips on the side, and then this alignment clip. Install the pins. Just push these straight in, and install your Phillips head bolt. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.